Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to get Ironman in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So first we start with water, and then earth, and then plant. To have tree, add more tree. To have forest, add more tree. To have wood, and more tree. To have paper. Now we add wind to have kite. Put this aside. We add water and then fire to have steam. Add to the kite to have engine. Now we're gonna add plant and then wind to have dandelion. Put this aside. Now we're gonna have steam, more steam, and then fire to have lightning. Then we add steam to have electricity, and then earth and wind to have dust. Add more earth to have planet. Add the planet to dandelion to have sun, and sun to electricity to have solar panel. Now we're gonna add wind to have windmill, and then fire to have energy. Add energy to the engine to have car. Now we add tree, and then fire to have ash. Add to the car to have rust. Put this aside. Now we're gonna add plant and then water to have swamp, and then dust to have mud. Put this aside. We're gonna get plant and then swamp to have Venus flytrap. Add dust to have dust trap, and then add Venus flytrap to have fly paper, and then dust trap to have spider. Add fire and wind to have smoke. Add water to have fog. Now we're gonna add dust and earth to have planet. Add the planet to the fog to have Venus, and then add mud to have Adam. Add Venus to have Eve, and Adam to have human. Add this human to spider to have Spider-Man, and then add Spider-Man to the rust. We have Ironman. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.